Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, actually I didn't want to do another ADA video today, but for all ADA lovers out there, I'll do one. We did come down here in the last few days to that 75 cent level, which was such an important support level. Been talking about that important support level here for a while. We found support, yeah, luckily, because it was very, very thin ice. We even made a slightly lower low compared to the one end of February. And we have then broken out with a higher low. So basically a W reversal pattern. We actually saw that earlier today in the first update video. We saw already that we were breaking out of the channel here. Yeah, check out my previous ADA video from today. We had the breakout already. And now obviously with the catalyst of, as expected, interest rate increases of 0.5% is the increase of the funding rate, 50 basis points. That is what the market did expect. It is, and that is generally good news for the market. Therefore, you see here some short-term upside. Is this already the major turnaround? It's too early to say that. It's definitely a good signal here. We see 12% upside. It made sense, or it makes sense that we now go up anyway, because, and that is also what we highlighted in previous videos here, that ADA was massively, well, not massively oversold, but it was oversold on the daily. Now, the price did obviously react to that oversold level. Whenever you are oversold and you come to a very, very important support level, chances are pretty good that you actually start to move up from here, because the downside potential then is fairly limited in how, in terms of how far you can really drop. We need to be careful now because the price, or the RSI, is now getting very close to 50. As you can see here in the past, whenever the RSI hit the 50 level, there was very often a rejection, either slightly above it or it was just a fake out. The last time we really had a bit of a move up here, that was here, this move all the way up to 126. That was okay, but still overall a lower high in the overall trend. Now we are about to see here a bullish crossover similar to what Bitcoin is currently doing, which is also at least short-term bullish. As we've said, Cardano could at any point have completed its correction already. Therefore, I'm just dollar cost averaging in at the current price levels with my buy orders that I have published on Discord. But what I need to say at the moment, at least, even though we see here a little bit of a pump, which is definitely noteworthy, but I would still expect lower prices for ADA going forward. As I said, short-term upside possible. In the first instance to 91 cents, next very important level 97 cents, next important level $1.01, and only if we get above $1.01 we can see further upside all the way up to 126. As soon as the 126 is broken, next important level is 163, but we're not interested in that yet because it's too far away. We're only just having a little bit of upside here, and yeah, that could, maybe it goes to 191, maybe it goes to 97 cents, maybe it even goes to 126. That is what the market now has to decide. But these are the very important resistance levels. Certainly the 75 cent level to the downside, highly relevant. If that gets broken, we're going to see the 55. From what I can see here at the moment in terms of probabilities, short-term upside obviously was pretty, I don't say pretty logical, but it already looked like it earlier in the video today when we broke out of this descending channel to the upside. Yeah, it was a clear breakout that we saw there. It was just happening when I made the video earlier today, but this apparently then has played out. Overall, the ideal level for the current retracement would be that 55 cent level. That is still what I see. Yes, we have a pump, but we had a pump here as well. So we just need to be aware that the downside potential is still there. It is very early in a potential uptrend again. We are overall still only making here lower lows and lower highs so far. And we need to be aware that I do expect still a Bitcoin drop. That upside was expected. Talked about it in my Bitcoin video here for a while now, that we do expect the Bitcoin price to go into that green area. Again, also here, it still has a long way to go. Bitcoin would now need to move up at least, it's not too far, 7%. And then it will reach the target area. And then obviously the altcoins are affected as well. So absolutely, it could be if ADA from here also makes another 7%, it will only get just above 91 cents. Should it even get to 126, that will be over 40%. Yeah, so we see upside here. We've broken a key resistance in that channel here. That was a possible entry point for anybody who wants to go long. And now we are approaching here resistance, first resistance at 91 cents, and that will be not an irrelevant one. Yeah, you had support back here in May 21, support back here in April 21, support here in January 22. Yeah, and it's just an area of trade here as well. And you can see how well the price adhered to that 91 cent level. And that is currently how it is looking for ADA. So we just have a turnaround here, potential turnaround with a W pattern on the 4-hour chart, but we are now approaching resistance already. Yeah. We were oversold, and now we are getting close here to a bullish crossover. So as I said, primary expectation, medium term, still downside. Short term, I would even say further upside in line with what I expect for Bitcoin. Don't be panicking when we see a little bit of up and down here. This is at the moment still very, very early after the interest rate announcement, after that decision. There is usually 1 or 2 hours of high volatility, so it can go up and down now in unexpected ways. We need to be aware of that. So, and nothing goes up in a straight line. Be aware of that as well. So obviously would have been a great time to go long down here with a stop loss, you know, or after the breakout here, after the confirmation, yeah. But this is now obviously too late. But these are sort of trade setups that people use, right? Pulling back to a support level, yeah. Setting a stop loss. When I set a stop loss, I would normally set it round about 2% below the, for example, the support level. So here that would have been, yeah, around about 73 cents. But I didn't go long. I am dollar cost averaging in. I'm not taking short-term long trades here. I am dollar cost averaging in, and that is currently my strategy here. I think overall, medium term, long term, we have here amazing prices, even if we drop another time to 55 cents, but somewhere down there, that should then be the finish, the completion of the correction. But yeah, good to see here some upside for Cardano. Good to show that it's still alive. And I have the feeling we are really getting close to the end of the correction here for Cardano. But 55 cents would really be that ideal level, and it could even go down to 30 cents. So I have to make you aware about that. Even if prices are going up short term, this is not yet the pump to all-time highs. I would be highly surprised. So, but let's see. I'm happy to be surprised, but I don't think it is. So yeah, that's just a quick update for all Cardano lovers out there who are also happy about to see some green prices here. And on the right-hand side, that is really good for the soul to see all these nice green colors here. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.